So while you may be stocking up and protecting your personal property, you also need to focus on your money. That's why CPA Kimberly Washington is live to help us on what we should do. Kim, thank you so much. We appreciate you. Let's get right to it. So how should we get started on preparing our finances?
So this is a great time right now to really get all of your financial documents in one place. One of the things that you want to do is make certain you have your insurance documents, your tax returns, your wills all in one place. So that way, if something happens, you can grab everything to go and just create a checklist during this process. I have a great tool that you can use at kimsense.com.
Kim, so what if my insurance doesn't cover all of my needs? What can we do there?
This is something that you want to think about right now. This is a great time, rather, that you want to contact your special agent, your insurance agent, and see whether or not you can go over your different insurance policies, review your deductibles, your coverages, and just so you can get an idea of what's all covered at this time.
And Kim, what could we do to help if there comes the time that we all need to evacuate?
Also, you want to think about right now getting your finances in order and creating a disaster fund. So put a couple of dollars away in case you have to spend money on travel, lodging, things of that nature, gas, all of these different expenses. So create that account so that way you can have that money available.
Kim, talk a little bit really quickly on some other benefits of having that disaster emergency fund that you just talked about.
The great thing, if we don't have to evacuate, you can utilize this money for next year or whatever else that you need to do. You can also pay down debt, use it for another savings goal, or whatever the case may be. So that's the great thing about creating this account at this time.
And Kim, lastly, before we let you go, any Kim Sense for us today?
One thing you do want to keep in mind too during this time, also have cash on hand. So it's not just good to have it in the bank, but have it on hand. I can recall after Hurricane Katrina not being able to use my ATM card. So make sure you have cash on hand so you can have it ready to go during this time.
All right, CPA Kimberly Washington telling us how to get our finances in order for hurricane season. Kim, thank you so much.